Hi everyone and welcome to your latest news update from eVTOL Insights on Tuesday, January 30th. Lilium and AJW Group, a world-leading independent aircraft component parts, repair and supply chain solutions provider, have signed an agreement to develop global material services and distribution to support the Lilium Jet's aircraft operations and aftermarket services business. This partnership between Lilium and AJW is to include the management of Lilium's eVTOL spares inventory, delivery of warehouse and logistics services, repair and asset management, and AJW serving as the exclusive parts distributor for Lilium's worldwide customers. A key part of the group is AJW Technique, a 220,000 sq.ft state-of-the-art component MRO facility based in Montreal, Canada. The partnership supports Lilium's commitment to best-in-class customer service and the company's goal of delivering competitive operating costs and superior parts availability. Material management will be a core component of Lilium's aftermarket service business, which will also comprise of training, digital, ground operations, and in-service support functions. Sebastian Borrell, Lilium's chief commercial officer, said, "This is a very important step as we advance towards our planned entry into service in 2026 and a major milestone in the development of our strategic and comprehensive support offerings for our customers." He added that both companies look forward to driving innovation, efficiency, and sustainability in the aviation sector, showcasing their collective dedication to delivering cutting-edge solutions and supporting customers with attractive unit economics. Thanks so much for watching. You can read more about the story and keep up to date with the latest industry developments by visiting our website, which is displayed on the screen. You can also join our dedicated WhatsApp and Signal news channels and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter.